So trying to change the tire here on my triple axle toy hauler, and I want to find the easiest way to get the tire off the ground without having to use a jack. I've got these self-levelers. You can see they are not quite high enough, so I'm gonna figure out what I can do and I will show you. But I want you just to see that if you have these self-levelers, that it's not gonna be good enough, at least for. These are just cheap ones I got off Amazon. I think they're like 50 bucks. I don't know exactly how tall they are, but maybe like 3.5 inches. You can just see they're not quite high enough. And if you were going to do this in the dirt, definitely it's not going to be high enough because those will drop down into the ground. So let me see what I can figure out to do this without having to put much work or money into it. Okay, round two. I went and got a 2x6 and then placed these ramps on it, and I measured them. They're 4 inches, so 4 inches tall. I tried just doing it with one tire, so this middle one, wherever, and it didn't work. So using on both tires works, and now this tire will spin. So that's the secret right there. Jack both tires with these ramps. So that is a total distance of 5.5 inches, and it seemed to work. So you could probably be creative and just build 2 ramps that are 5.5 inches, or one big ramp that's 5.5 inches to get that tire off the ground. But there you go. I hope that's useful for you. I've searched everywhere and nobody is, like, everyone's talking about just double axles instead of triple. So there it is. Here's a trailer. It's like a 39-foot toy hauler, and I have used a floor jack in the past to jack up one tire, but I feel like that's super hard on the jack and just not fun to crawl under there. So this is going to be great for leveling and for getting the tire off the ground. What I'll end up doing is just cutting the 2x8, or yeah, the 2x6, so it's shorter, and I think I'll cut it into 2 lengths as well. So if this middle tire is flat, I'll be able to do that on the 2 outside tires. So I'll basically just split that board in half and do that on each tire. So hope that's useful.